Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. Can't say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while since I have uploaded a video. I took a break, honestly. So if some of you guys know, if you guys don't know, I do work full-time, so it's trying to juggle trying to do YouTube and working full-time. Like, having two full-time jobs is like kind of hard. I'm still trying to learn how to pace it, but nonetheless, you guys, I'm back at it again with another video, another hair video. Y'all, this one's gonna be super quick, super simple, only because I don't have enough time to do what I really wanted to do. So I'll do that next video. What I'm gonna do today is just super simple. It's gonna be a puff, because I get a lot of questions on how do I get my puff, and a swoop bang. Oh, it's gonna be cute, it's gonna be cute, it's gonna be cute. I'm excited. Okay, so before we get started in this video, you guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me, and make sure to hit that bell notification so you are notified every single time that I upload a video. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I don't shout my Instagram out enough, so make sure to follow me there. You can follow me on Twitter too. I really don't care if you follow me on Twitter or not, but yeah, go ahead and follow me on like all my socials. I will have it linked in the description box below. And without further ado, y'all, let's get into this puff with a swoop. You know, a little edginess, you feel me? So my hair is already deep conditioned. My hair is already washed, detangled, deep conditioned, and I already have my leave-in in. If you guys want to know what I used, to shampoo my hair, I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shampoo. I'll have the photo up here because I don't feel like grabbing it. So I'll have the photos up here. Also, to deep condition my hair, I used my Texture ID deep treatment. And then for my leave-in, I used my Kinky Curly Knot today, you guys. So yeah. All right, so normally, you guys, honestly, normally when I do a puff, I always do my puffs on old wash and goes or old twist outs, because my hair is already stretched, so it could give me that big, you know, big puff that I want. I don't do too many puffs on wet hair, but this is gonna be one. So like I said, I already have leave-in in, so I'm gonna use a cream styler. And the cream style I'm just gonna use my Texture ID cream, styling cream. I've used this before on my channel, you guys, and I love it. I just need some definition. I'm not gonna use any gel. The only gel I'm gonna use is for the swoop, but I'm not gonna use gel for anything else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and my hair is already in sections, it's already in twists, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take down these twists and just put in this styling cream. And yeah, I did want it to be a super defined. If you want your puff to be really defined, then what you can do is still follow these steps, put in leave-in, put in your styling cream, and then just add gel, like pretty much do a wash and go and then put it in a puff. That's how you're really gonna get it defined. I don't feel like doing all of that. I think that kind of defeats the purpose of a wash and go. Honestly, I just do it on old wash and goes because my hair is still usually pretty defined. But yeah, so I'm just using I'm just gonna use styling cream. Hopefully, I don't know how long my puff will, hopefully my puff stays defined. I don't know how long it will be defined. I don't even know if it's gonna be like defined the way I want it, but I'm hoping it will be. I'm gonna take about that much right here and just put it all over my sections. I don't know, I'm just trying something, y'all. Y'all know I love gel. Like, I honestly really do like gel, and I'm kinda like scared to just only use cream. I've never only just used cream, especially with my type 4 kinky curly hair. I just feel like I need something, like, you know, I need a some type of gel, some type of hold. And I just feel like cream stylers just don't do that for me. Like, I do get some really good definition with some cream stylers, but like, it's not going to be like a good hold. Now this, obviously, it's not going to be a long hold. This styling cream is a medium hold anyways, but and y'all know us type 4 girls, the freaking product just sits on top of our hair. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this styling cream throughout my head, and once I have the styling cream pretty much throughout the rest of my hair, I will go ahead and just show you guys how I do my puff. Okay, y'all, I lied. I'm gonna add a little bit of gel. Like, literally, I'm just gonna add gel in like big sections. Just, I'm not feeling this. Like, I'm just not. I can't. I cannot just have just cream on my hair, y'all, to be so honest. So I'm just honestly just gonna put the gel in big sections. I'm not gonna do no shingling. I'm not gonna do anything how I would normally do for a wash and go. I'm just gonna just add some gel. I'm gonna use my Wetline Extreme Gel today. I can't, y'all. I can't. Like, I just feel like I can't. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my Wetline Extreme, y'all. I cannot. I just can't do this to myself. Every time I open this, it just smells so good. So like I was saying, I'm just gonna add them in just add the gel in big sections. And what I really care most about really is the ends. That's really what I care about the most, because that's what's gonna really show anyways, is your ends. Y'all know the Wetline gets me right. I freaking love this gel. So yeah, I'm just gonna just do that. And I will come back once everything is distributed through my hair. All right, you guys, so I'm back. This piece is the Swoop bang, but I just like pretty much did like a quick wash and go. I just needed it to be defined enough. So I'm gonna let this dry because I really don't want like white stuff when I do my puff. So I'm just gonna let this dry clear. Probably let it dry for like maybe about an hour or so, and then go ahead and come back and show you guys how I put it in a puff and how I swoop my bang. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Sorry if you can hear my washer and dryer is inside of the bedroom. But anyways, y'all, I mean, it's dry enough because I got some stuff to do, so I can't like let it dry all day. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a puff, and I'm going to use this. This is a headband, and then I cut it in half. So let me fix this. It's like super easy to do a puff, I feel like. So I'm gonna use my Wetline gel. I have my hard bristle brush, and we're just literally just gonna put it up. And of course, I'm going to use gel to slick the side up. Y'all just watch. I'm not gonna talk. It's literally you're just flipping your hair over, and I'm just gonna, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. Just watch, just watch. Alright, so y'all, I just went ahead and added some gel to like slick the sides of my hair. Just like you would do any other puff, you're gonna just put gel around the perimeter of your hair and slick it up. Pretty much it's literally all you're gonna do. I like to smooth it out with my hands first before I go in with my brush. And as you guys see here, I'm just making sure everything looks sleek it nice. Even though you're still gonna have a swoop bang, you still want it to look sleek because the other side will expose, you know, your edges and everything. So you see me just right here, I'm just brushing up the hair. That's literally all you're doing, is just brushing it up, making sure that that gel is really slicking your hair and that your hair is all gonna stay in place for when you put your puff up. With my hair, y'all, it just never stays. I know people with a softer hair texture, like, it would stay, but mine doesn't. So now I just go ahead and go to the swoop, and what I'm doing now is just splitting it in half, and as you guys are going to see, I'm going to like work in sections because this is the part that I really want to be super sleek. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it, and I just started adding my gel, and I literally just started like sleeking it down. With thick type 4 hair, you guys, you don't want to do it just all in one big glob. You want to do it in sections because our hair is really thick and we need all of the product to be able to like really penetrate it and actually make it really stick. So as you guys see, I'm just literally working in the section here, and y'all see my little waves coming through. Oh, they got y'all seasick, you know. And then I just take my hard bristle brush and just make sure to, you know, brush it all in place, and then I'll take the rest of it and pretty much put gel in it. You guys, that's honestly how you do the swoop. It's really, really easy. And then as you guys will see here, after I go ahead and slick the rest of it down, honestly, that is it, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I am back, and this is the finished result, y'all. Super easy. Like, did my edges or whatever, slicked it, you know. My puff isn't as big as it normally is because it's still wet, so I'm waiting for the actual puff to dry so I can pick it out. But other than that, you guys, this is it, y'all. Like, look, little swoopy swoop, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any other hairstyles that you guys want me to try on my natural hair, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.